Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Take It, your boy Loki, and today I've got the Huawei P Smart for 2019. This is one of the budget and high-end budget phone. This is the newest one for 2019. They made one last year as well, which was really popular, but this is the one for 2019. As you can see, I've got the box here, Huawei P Smart 2019. I've got the 3 gigs of RAM with 64 gigabytes of storage. And nothing much on the box here, guys, so let's open this up. So this one reaches for just under £200, guys. I'll leave a link in the description on Amazon. It comes in 2 different colors. You've got the black one, and you've got this bluish one, which I picked up, but let's put that to the side and see what else we're getting inside. So we've got some documentaries here. So you've got your SIM tool here, some paperwork, some warranty and stuff like that, which we are not gonna look through. And inside we've got a power brick, so that's the standard one, I think. Let's check. Yeah, it's just a standard 5 watt, but we do get micro USB for charging as well, so that is a bit sad. I wanted to see like type C at least. It's 2019, and we do get some earbuds as well, some we're not gonna look at. So this is the phone itself, so let's take that out. That looks nice. So we do not get any free cases included, so let's peel this back off. And wow, just look at that. Okay guys, just look at that. That looks okay, guys. So this is the back, and you can just see that looks so nice. It's a very beautiful color. So I've got the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite here, that's got a different color to it, and I've got the Mi G1 Max as well, that's got a different tone, but this one is much nicer, I would say. Now this one is nice as well, but it's got the purple. This is much of a blue to blue, so you've got lighter blue to darker blue. It looks really nice. So you guys, let's look at the design. So we've got a water drop front camera here with a 6.2-inch screen, and that is 1080 by 2340, and we do have a 60 megapixel front facing camera. On the back we've got a 13 and a 2 megapixel camera, and we do have AI camera as well, so Huawei smart camera features. We've got a power button, your volume up and down. On the top you've got our SIM tray as well as a microphone. On the bottom you've got your aux, another microphone, micro USB for charging, no USB-C, which is really sad. We do have a fingerprint, and it does have face unlock, but it's not some fancy like the iPhone. It's just the same as the Xiaomi one. So let's power this on. So it's powering on now, guys. So it is powered by a Huawei processor, the Kirin 710, which is an 8-core processor. We've got 3 gigs of RAM as well as 64 gigabytes of storage, and it comes with a 3400 milliamp battery, so that is a big improvement to the previous version. But yeah, I mean, this color, I'm not sure how well this color is picking up on the camera, guys, but you just need to believe me, this is beautiful. I like this lighter blue. This one is nice as well, but that comes from a blue to a purple. You can see they are much different. This one's got a flat back. On this one you do have like a curve, so it fits much nicer in your palm. It looks nice. So hey guys, I've set the phone up and everything is up and running now, and you can see I'm straight into the Huawei UI. So let's go to settings. Let's see if we can find about system, about phone. So it's running their UI, and we're running version 9 of theirs, and we're running Android 9 as well, so that is really good. And let's just see if there's any updates. Hopefully it says up to date, so that's really good. So as you can see, it comes with quite a lot of bloatware, and even when I was going through the setup process, they asked me if I wanted to download some apps as well. As you can see, we've got Facebook, eBay, Netflix and Amazon already pre-installed. So it does come with a lot of apps installed, so you have to uninstall them if you don't want them. But it seems pretty smooth and fast. So we've got our Google Now on the side, your Google cards, so anything you do will come up here. And you've got all your Google apps here, so that's really nice. And you've got all your Google Docs as well pre-installed, so it's okay, not bad. And then you do have some Huawei apps, and you've got their app gallery as well. And you've got booking on there, but you can see that it's nice. So if you don't like the UI, you can always change to a launcher like I did with my Xiaomi phone. I'm using Lovin Launcher. It's just a simple Google feel, which I prefer, and it's just much better. So you can probably going to do that same here. But yeah, so we've got a few apps installed. Let's just look at the camera. So that's working. So let's change to the back camera. Let's just they look really good. The colors are really popping, I have to say that. So if you see on the back part, that color is popping well, and it looks really good. I have to do a proper camera touch and compare it with the Xiaomi and my iPhone as well. I'll have a video of that later onwards. But as of now guys, this is just my quick unboxing and first look of the Huawei P Smart 2019, and it is really nice. I have to say that the both feels really good. It feels really nice in the hand guys. These little curves compared to the Xiaomi, which is just flat. This one feels much better in the hand. It's just the way it's curved and it sits perfectly, and the fingerprint works well. The Face ID does work a bit weird, so I did set it up, but as you can see, okay, it did pick up my face this time, but it's a bit weird picking it up because it's not like the iPhone where it does a proper like a scan or anything like that. But yeah, so we will have to see that in a test as well, which I'll do later onwards. But as of now, everything seems to work fine. It looks good and the color is really nice. The screen brightness, everything is really good. It keeps popping up the new stuff I can try. So the screen is on the big side, but you've got a nice decent brightness, and I did check you can change the settings in here as well, so your comfort, like if you want to change the color mode as well, you can do that. You've got your normal, you've got your vibrant, and you can change that as well, which is nice, which I need to look in and just keep changing it afterwards. But as of now, this is just my quick first look and unboxing of the Huawei P Smart 2019 guys. I will have a full review very soon. I'll do some tests, do some photo comparison with the Xiaomi phone, and probably do one with the iPhone as well. But do let me know in the description, do let me know in the comment section if you want me to try some tests, some games and stuff like that. If you things you want me to try out, do let me know and I will do my best to get to you guys. But yeah guys, that is just my quick unboxing and first look. So yeah guys, the phone looks amazing. The color is just beautiful. I have to say that that blue tone looks so nice, and the comfort in the hand with the curves and everything is really nice. For the price, the phone feels really expensive. This feels like a £500 phone really. The screen is nice and bright. The camera looks decent so far, but I need to give a full test and try more stuff out guys. But I will have a full review up very soon, so make sure you stick around and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. But yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one guys. Take care.